In this video, I'm going to cover how to find out the surface area of a pyramid. To find out the surface area of a pyramid, I'm going to use a formula that says the total surface area of a pyramid is going to be the area of the base plus the lateral surface area. Let's start with the area of the base. The base of this pyramid is a rectangle. To find out the area of a rectangle, we simply multiply the length of this side and this side. So the area of the base is going to be 6 times 8. $48. Let's keep it here. Now we are going to find out the lateral surface area. To find out the lateral surface area of a regular pyramid, we can use this formula. 1/2 PL, where P is the perimeter of the base and L is a slant side. But do not forget, we use this formula for regular pyramid. But in this pyramid, the base is a rectangle. So this pyramid is not a regular pyramid, and we cannot use this formula. To find out the lateral surface area of this pyramid, I'm going to start with the area of two triangles from front and back view. These two triangles are same. So let us start with the area of these two triangles. Front and back view. To find out the area of triangles, we can use the formula that says, but before that we have two triangles. Let me write here 2, 1/2 base times height. So let's plug this information in our formula. 2 times 1/2 times. The length of the height is 6. The length of the base is 6. The length of the height is 5.7. These two cancel off. 6 times 5.7 is going to be a square centimeter. Now I'm going to continue the solution by the area of two triangles from side views. I mean left one and right one. We have two triangles, so I write 2 here, 1/2 base times height. Let's plug the information in our formula. The length of the base is 8. Height is 5. These two cancel off. 8 times 5, 40 centimeters. Now, to find out the lateral surface area, we simply add 34.2 and 40 square centimeter. So lateral surface area is gonna be the area of these two triangles plus the area of these two triangles. 34.2 plus 40 is going to be 74.2 square centimeter. This is the lateral surface area. Also, we have the area of the base. To find out the total surface area, you simply add the area of the base and the lateral surface area. The area of the base plus lateral surface area. 48 plus 74.2 is going to be 122.2 square centimeter. And this is the total surface area of this pyramid. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Have fun.